Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing a laptop from Lenovo. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Let me just... Got it open. Oh, there's the laptop. It's like right here. It's just in some packaging. I thought there'd be like a box, but I guess this is the box. Oh, there's some. Okay, here's the power cable. I believe this is USB-C. I'm not sure. It's the power adapter. Whoa, never seen that before. Template. Okay, safety and warranty guide. We don't need that. So let's get the actual computer out. Oh, it's upside down. Okay. And it's in this packaging. So. Whoa, this is a big computer. I believe this is a 15-inch. Let's just get it opened. And here it is. Well, okay, it has an HDMI port. I'll just go up to the camera to show you. This is a headphone jack, an HDMI, and I believe that's USB-C. No, that's the charging port, yeah. I think that's USB-C, I'm not sure. And on the other side, it has two USB ports, an SD card reader, and the power button. So, let's open up the accessories first. I'll keep it right here. I don't think there's anything else. I think that's just it. Oh, okay, there's a Idea Pad Flex 5, 14-inch 05, and then 15-inch 05. So, okay, it's just a setup guide. You don't need that. And just get the boring stuff out. 65-watt power supply that no one cares about. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now that we're done with the boring stuff, let's get actually into the computer. Don't need a whole box. None of that. Don't need any of that. I don't need these scissors. Okay, now let's see if it has battery. Whoa, okay, that is cool. Okay, so that's a different type of keyboard, okay. And it has the thing. It has the whole screen. There's not a lot of bezels. Now let's power it on. And I'll be back when I'm done setting it up. Okay guys, so I just finished setting up the computer. Let's tell you just the general specs. I'll probably put it up on screen. It's a 10th gen Intel Core i7. It's running Windows 10 Pro. It has a 1 terabyte SSD. It has a 4K touchscreen, which is pretty cool. It has a backlit keyboard. You can kind of see it, but you can't really see it because of the sun. It has a fingerprint reader right here. That's literally it. It's a 2-in-1. It has a touchscreen, so you can just do that. That's basically it. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.